My teenage daughter has a habit of speaking to herself in public places. This behavior had many people shunning her and calling her a weirdo. As a parent, even I have felt uncomfortable, but my husband is okay with this. Unfortunately, the worst affected was my younger son, who was bullied by his peers, citing his sister as a weirdo that leads into fistfights. I'm totally helpless and need guidance on this.
The point is very simple. You are not able to accept this particular behavior of your daughter. As a result of that, that entire story that is weaved around it appears extremely dark and insoluble to you, and you find yourself completely helpless. There are several things that you can do over here. I'll give you a couple of examples, but the doing is not very important. I still want to give you a couple of examples to demonstrate to you that you are not helpless. What is happening to your teenage daughter, as well as what is happening to her dear younger brother, are things that are pretty easy for your teenage daughter to look at and understand. Clearly, she is not going to be oblivious to what is going on, especially if you sit her down and talk to her. And if she chooses, if she decides that, okay, this is something that I need to eventually get rid of, that is one step in the direction that you want, and it is bound to have its impact. Over a period of time, that will get resolved. But that will not solve your overall problem, because the overall problem is not about what is being done and what you can or cannot do. The problem is one of acceptance. You somehow find yourself alienated by this particular habit of your daughter. And as long as you see her as the other, and as long as you see her as somebody who has a problem, you will never ever be at peace with it. You can't be. Simply because she is somebody else who has this problem. And everything else that seems to be associated with it will keep increasing your sense of discomfort and make you feel as though this whole thing is completely, it's a waste of your time, and it's something that you've been pushed into and something that you cannot get out of, etc. The moment you let go of this particular perspective and start looking at her as the poor, defenseless little creature that she is, whom you are in a position to benefit, be the benefactor of, then everything else will change, because you will start thinking in terms of how you can help her do better for herself in her life, and automatically it will have an impact on everybody else around.